What's up, Elko family? Welcome back to another vlog 50, man. 50 freaking vlogs down is crazy. But this week I really didn't do too much. I messed up my shoulder, so I was kind of bedridden for a couple days, so I didn't get into any wrenching. But I did make it down to Dizzi Daze Car Show up in 6 Lakes. Had a fun time, saw some cool rides, so most of today's vlog will be that. But I have some news for the future for Lìmon. This should be the very last time y'all see her riding around at stock height. She's about to get the poor man special and get some springs cut on the front. And I got a couple, I think just 2-inch drop shackles for the back. So we're gonna get her a little bit lower, see how she's sitting, how she's riding. And yeah, but that'll be in next week's episode. So stay tuned for that. We'll get into this week and I'll show you what I did. I touched up on the Ford a little bit and a couple other things. So let's get into it. Lìmon kind of sucks. Let's see if she can hit a small Bernie.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that?
I'm gonna be honest, it's sad as hell when your V8 truck won't do a burnout. So as y'all can see, Lìmon needs quite a bit of work to turn into one bad street/drift truck.
Whoa, very nice.
Huge shout out to y'all for 1,900 subscribers. The number's still going up and I'm almost at 2,000. And once I cross 2,000, I will be doing a massive burnout in the El Camino on some donated tires. So stay tuned for that. If you want to see it, go share some of my videos, tell your friends to subscribe. And if you thought you were getting through this whole video without hearing about the merch, you're fucking mistaken. Go check it out. Go buy some merch. Really helps me keep Lìmon getting cooler, the Elko getting cooler, and all the other projects and content coming along. So go do that. Thanks again to everybody that subscribed, and let's get back to the video. All right, all my stuff is about to die, so I have not been recording this very well, but making some progress. Got a jumper wire here for the starter, and now the key cranks over, so a step in the right direction. All right, took a step backwards, of course. I was sitting here watching a video, had the key just over on, and for some reason, my entire coil that is brand fucking new split in half and about caught the whole mower on fire. So she's gonna be sitting for a second because I do not have money for another one right now.
With your broke ass.
After taking the L with the mower, we decided to go grab some Culvers and end out the day. Didn't end up doing too much for the holiday because my shoulder was messed up, but the homie Savon came over just like last year, grilled out, had a little bit of fun in the Elko, and just kind of chilled out for the holiday. Not the cleanest the ride has been for a car show, but the weather had me kind of questioning on if I should even go or not. See if I get lucky out here. Oh no, it's starting. It's starting. It doesn't even look like it's supposed to rain over here. What the fuck? Alright, luckily it seems like it's holding off. It is the lightest sprinkle ever, so I'm still driving and I'm like 5 minutes away, so hopefully it just doesn't downpour as soon as I get there, because that would suck. But I smell something burning and I'm not quite happy about that.
number 79. trying to get ran over.
Just like that, another week down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos dropping every week. Daily posts on Instagram and TikTok. And drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see done to the El Camino.
Peace.